morning, everyone. Back again with our headlines with me, Myriam Anselma, and I'll be with you for a few minutes. Well, listeners, the key to learning from any disaster is to gather as much data as possible. So, do you know what a snowstorm is? Maybe if we ask the majority of the population of tropical countries, we may not be able to explain it because we have never experienced it. Snowstorms are common only one continents that have four seasons, like the American hemisphere. Snowstorms are usually caused by rising moist air within an extratropical cyclones or pressure area. The cyclones force a relatively warm, most air mass up and over a cold air mass. If the air near the surface is not sufficiently cold over a deep enough layer, the snow will fall as rain instead. Because these extratropical cyclones also have winds circulating around them, strong winds can develop into stronger storms, sometimes leading to blizzard conditions. The total amount of snowfall that a snowstorm produces depends upon, on first, how fast the warm air is rising over the cold air, and second, how much water vapor is available to form precipitation, and third, how fast the storm is moving. Lag effect snowstorms are different from cyclonic snowstorms. Very cold air flowing over a large ice-free lake will pick up water vapor evaporated from the lake surface and result in cloud and precipitation formation downwind. The distance required for this to occur is at least tens of miles and usually 100 miles or more. A third class of snowstorm is orographic, which occur in mountainous regions where air is forced to rise as it flows over the mountains, causing large snowfall accumulations. Usually, the heaviest orographic snows are where an extratropical cyclone's snow is unchanged by mountain uplift as the winds flow from lower elevation to higher elevations. These produce the heaviest snowfalls and sometimes many feet deep in a single storm. Even though snowstorms only occur in a few countries and parts of the continents, the impact is quite large and can even endanger lives. Therefore, it is more advisable for residents of subtropical countries to be more vigilant, especially when temperatures have fallen and there are signs of snowstorms. Well, listeners, I hope this information will always guide you toward getting the most from the information available about each disaster.